Hi, welcome to my unboxing video. I won a competition a couple of weeks ago from Patrol Base for their 10k giveaway. I know what's in the boxes, but I just thought I'd do an unboxing so everybody can see. Let's just go ahead. First box, quite a big one. See what we've got. So I'll do this. This one is the nuprol large case in green. That's pretty cool because then I can put all my guns in and bits and bobs and not fill up the other halves. You can have a run back of his now. There we go. Nice. Got some nice, what is it, wave foam? Got some nice wave foam. It's nice, that one. Oh, I think I prefer the clip to this one to your one.
What's wrong with my one?
I don't know, I think I prefer these ones though. They're not clipped down though. They're not clipped down though. Whilst you're at it, if you're there, check out King Kraken. King Kraken gear on Instagram. Or KingKraken website.com. And this is the next one. How do I get into this one?
Drop my knife.
Yeah, I've got a scissor bit here, sellotape bit. So, I know what's in these, but obviously you lot don't.
Well, they will by the title.
Well, yeah.
Mind your fingers.
Yeah. Yeah, so Patrol Base did a... I might need that knife actually.
10k.
Don't.
You got it?
Yeah, they did a 10k giveaway on Instagram a couple of weeks ago. And last week, I got last Thursday.
Wait, what's that one?
That's the big one.
Shall I save that to the last?
Well, I can do, but it's whether I can get anything
Alright,
else.
wait a second. I'll sort that out.
Yeah, they announced the winners. There was 3 winners last week. And I come first. So I had a bit of good luck. Yeah. So I got the large hard case. I've got a nuprol pistol case. Loads of this stuff.
Shredded cardboard.
Some .25 razor BBs.
Also nuprol.
Also nuprol. A nuprol maintenance kit. Some nuprol green gas.
2.0.
2.0. I don't think
that at the bottom.
that's it.
Oh. So what is anything else? Ah. Now you should have opened that.
Yeah, right. I knew there was something else. Inside, I have a hydro dipped multicam 1911
Made by Raven.
Made by Raven. And I like these, and I've been wanting one of these because I like the slim mags. What have I got? Raven patch. Various bits and bobs, which I think is this not all the stuff to convert it
Yeah,
to
so the
HPA or
no,
CO2?
CO2.
CO2, yeah. Rings, instructions, and I guess the other last little bit, they're holding
What other last? Oh, yeah.
the tickets. So yeah, look at that, that's nice actually. Yeah, I like that. Sweet. So there it is. If I get everything on the table, you can
Oh,
see.
wait, there's more. Don't forget.
There's more?
Yes, there's more.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh my god, I don't even know. I forgot that.
How did you get this?
Oh, let me open that up there. Right. BB's gas. And the main bit that I've got myself a, how do I get into it?
That might be a...
Yeah. Right.
Let me grab these off the table.
Forgot what it is now. Yes.
It's a Romeo. Romeo Nomad AK.
Yeah.
Tactical.
A Romeo Nomad AK.
Tactical AK.
Tactical AK. There's the bits.
Manual.
Manual. Mag. Allen keys. And a rather
That is
large.
huge.
A rather large AK-47. Wow. Yeah, I think I could use that. I think that would look pretty good. Yeah. So, overall, we've got... I've got the AK-47. The maintenance kit, the green gas, the BBs, the 1911, the pistol case and the large hard case. So overall I think that was a pretty bloody good win, that was. Yeah, I just want to thank Patrol Base, and yeah, I can't wait to get out and get playing with all this.
Oh.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.